Good morning guys, welcome to the video. Today is a very exciting day. I don't think I've ever been this excited in my life. This weekend is going to be incredible and you guys are coming along with me. Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Delta Airlines. All carry-on items should now be stowed securely, either in an overhead bin or under the seat in front of you. All aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas should now be clear. All electronic devices should now be turned off and stowed, as they may interfere with the aircraft's navigational and communication systems.
Okay guys, I have just got to the hotel in New York. New York, can you believe it? Because I can't. I have never stayed at a place so fancy. This is unreal. Look at this. I haven't even explained what I'm doing here, what we're doing here, but how do I turn this on? I'm unbelievably excited for this trip. It's been a dream of mine to visit New York, and today's the day I'm here in New York City. New York is about to be hit by a massive snowstorm, so we may get stuck here. We're only meant to be here for one night, but it could be more. I can't find the light in here. Help. Oh my gosh, this place is too fancy, I don't know how to work it. So right now, I am in G Fuel warehouse. They just got a brand new warehouse, huge, and we are currently inside just making some content, getting a little tour, a little behind the scenes, and it is awesome. Look at this. G Fuel heaven. Crazy, man. Crazy. I can't believe that I'm here. Look at this. Oh, hydration formula. I have not tried any of these, and this is definitely the place to be to try them because wow. Oh, little Spider-Man one? Spider-Man one out there? Alright, drive us.
Wait, I don't know how to
Back it up, back it up.
Oh, here we go.
Floor it. Oh my gosh.
What are we pulling?
Roman. Up to there, we're pulling Roman.
Is that your dad?
Nope. You good? Hop on.
I'm great. Okay. Just go back and forth a couple times, and then I can let go whenever I want. So no worries.
Okay. This is bad news.
I'll get you good. No, you're good. You're good. Got to break in this new building.
You ready?
All right, go. Oh my God! What happened?
He went flying.
I'll be all over the internet. I told you turns are exaggerated. She's like,
This is chaos. You almost killed him.
I know, I'm so sorry.
This is the day we killed Broken Atwood. Oh my god. Oh my god, stop!
Almost passed you guys. There we go. I thought that was gonna be a post. Little Lambo. Just quick little Lambo. Bet you can't do a donut.
Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is cool. This is so cool. Oh! Let's slow!
So when he swings around, you go on the side of the cycle and pull on.
This looks dangerous. Does not look safe at all. Got a stack of Bahama Mama boxes, Roman on a chair, getting pulled by a Lambo, Debbie riding the golf cart. What could possibly go wrong?
It's a direct hit, dude. That's a strike. Perfect driving.
Thank you, brother.
Boom.
What a day it has been so far. I am honestly so mind blown at everything that has happened in the last 24 hours. Yes, I am wearing the robe that you get in here. I just don't belong in these fancy places. I truly don't, and this honestly, it looks like a karate outfit, uniform. I was cold, okay? I was cold. This is my first experience being in a hotel this nice, so I gotta try everything out. Anyways, as I was saying, yeah, this has been an absolute crazy day. It's probably looked crazy in the video as well because I've just kind of been jumping around, but it's been madness. I got to meet Cliff and Debbie at G Fuel and see their new warehouse, which is absolutely crazy. Being in the middle of a G Fuel warehouse? What? That's blowing my mind. It may not be much to you guys, but to me, that's amazing. Also, like I said before, hold on, let me put my shoes on, show you guys. We were originally only meant to be staying one night, but because there was a huge snowstorm coming in right now, our flight got cancelled. So they rescheduled us for another flight, which got cancelled again. So I think we're gonna have to stay here for 2 nights. We're literally stuck in New York during a snowstorm. There are worse places you can get stuck though. So let's check on the storm. I think it's just starting. The snow is just starting to fall. Let's check out here. Oh yeah, it's kind of spooky. It's starting, it's definitely starting. Whoa, this is beautiful out here. Wow, it's unreal. Imagine the very first time I come to New York, there is an insane snowstorm. So crazy, but honestly, I am not complaining. I'm really not worthy for all this, I'm really not. I feel like Kevin McAllister in Home Alone, where he's lost in New York. Hopefully I don't get lost in New York though. But I just feel like when he's in this big fancy suite all by himself and he's eating all the ice cream and all the candies and he's just living his best life. That is me right now. So thankful and grateful for my life, honestly. It's crazy. Good morning guys. Day 2 in New York. Well, day 1 in New York, but day 2 of the vlog. Let's see what this storm is looking like. Kind of a bad idea to wear these brand new shoes I got to New York. Oh my storm. Oh my gosh. Oh my, this is nuts. Look at this. What? Oh my gosh. They ain't kidding when they said storm. Wow. Last night you could see everything over there. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is deep. This is so deep. Holy. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is unreal. Yeah. It's for real estate. This is nuts. This is absolutely nuts. New shoes. Who's this? Alright, ready to go. This is a funky mirror. You can't really see yourself. I'm ready to roll. We're gonna head to Times Square, see it at night, all lit up. They said the best time to go is at night to get that full New York bright experience. I am so excited to see Times Square. We're gonna grab some pizza. Gotta have pizza in New York. So I'm so excited. Goodbye. Oh my. Oh my. Yesterday, last night in Times Square was nuts. Absolutely hectic. Super, super cold. We're not prepared for that weather at all. None of us prepared for a storm. Why are we like this? But nevertheless, I got to experience it and it was something I will definitely never forget. It was absolutely insane to see. Today is the last day we are flying out today if that flight doesn't get cancelled. And it is a beautiful day out there. So bright. This snow is still absolutely unreal. Shall we go out here? Whoa. That's where I was standing yesterday. And look, it's all filled up again. My feet holes. I don't want to get cold feet. Oh my gosh. Look at the snow. Look at those drifts. Such a beautiful day in New York City. Total opposite from yesterday. I'm really trying to climb over here. Oh, it's still, oh my gosh. Yup, I'm going to get cold feet again. Ah. Look at that. Look at that. Here's the view today. Insane, insane. I don't know how many times I've said it today, well, in this whole video, how crazy my life is right now. I don't understand it. Standing on a balcony in the middle of New York, just after a crazy blizzard. That's wild to me. Alright. I think that's it for this insane hotel room. Gotta say goodbye to this balcony just one more time. Goodbye. Goodbye, beautiful balcony. I will miss you. Got the new trousers on. Pants. I say trousers. Americans say pants. But let's go. It's time to leave. Goodbye. I made a mess, but goodbye. Goodbye, room.